Hi, baby alive. How are you?
Hi, Mommy.
What?
I'm hungry.
What do you want?
Snack, please.
You want a snack? Okay, I'm gonna cook for you burger and French fries. Okay, I will. Stand still. Now we're gonna make burger and French fries. Here is the burger. See this pig? Okay. Now it's clean. I will take it off. See? And from the other side, a piece of the meat of the burger. Smaller circle for the tomatoes. 1 and 2. Here is your burger ready. Now let's make the French fries. Your order is finished. Double cheeseburger with a tomato and cabbage and French fries. And here is your juice. Now let's eat.
Hello, baby alive. Hello. Peekaboo, I see you. Time to play.
Now the cabbage.
I love you. Mommy.
Now let's make two.
Is it snack time?
Yes, sweetie.
Next, please. You make the best snack.
Okay, you finish first.
Hi, Mommy. I'm hungry.
Okay.
Next, please.
Ouch! She ate my fingers. You're laughing. You ate my fingers and you're laughing. Okay.
Hug.
Hello, baby alive.
Ouch. Did you eat your tomatoes or not yet? Okay, now the burger.
I have another tomato.
Okay.
Mommy, is it snack time? Next, please.
Okay, here's the burger.
You make the
It's a big.
big.
I'm gonna make it small.
Make it small.
Okay, let's put the cheese. I'm gonna cut it to half.
Going to be the burger.
I'm hungry.
Ouch! Eat my fingers again. You're laughing. Every time she eat my fingers, she laughs. Okay.
Please?
Now the rest of the sandwich. Is she still hungry?
I don't know.
Hello. Peekaboo, I see you.
Okay, the last thing is.
This one.
Okay, thank you.
We have another thing to eat, baby.
Come on.
Mommy, is it snack time?
Thank you so much for watching.
Please?
You've made the beautiful snack for baby alive. Yes, we forgot the juice.
You make the best snack.
Oh. This one.
Don't forget to watch the rest of our videos of baby alive, Sara snacking, and also Sara fashion. We've put makeup for Sara's face, and we've made lots of hairstyle for her. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.